I just spent some time on TikTok, scrolling through, watching people on there, listening to conversations and people's opinions and topics. Joined a few chat rooms, had a few live shows myself. Not much going on there. Then I go on and scroll on YouTube. I just see nothing but just more like a different version of TikTok. Of just nothing but blah, 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 bitch, 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 complain, 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 nag, 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 cuss, 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 this, that, another. And I just had an epiphany. And you can call me whatever. I really don't care. Call me egotistic, self-centered, entitled. I don't fucking care what every word, fancy buzzword you want to fucking use. But I've come to realize that my thought process and how I say things and look at things. Because a lot of these topics that I think about and want to talk about, everybody's talking about them, but they're coming at it in just fucking retarded fucking directions and angles. Missing the whole point. And I've come to realize that I just apparently am one of a kind on this planet. And that's how it's going to be. My girl tries every now and then to have a deep conversation with me, but she gets burnt out and tired of it. I am definitely on a midlife crisis, spiritual awakening, crash out, burnout, fucking meltdown. And then I have my moments when I'm actually off social media and I'm off my phone and I actually go outside, just look outside. Look up at the stars, look around me. For a brief minute, I think about nothing. And it's just like, is this the world that we're in now? Is this really reality? I just turned 39. Got a year away from being, 40. And I understand that's not old, but it's not young. Got 4 daughters and a son and a wife, and a tolerable life, in a matter of speaking. Yeah.